Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, and I thought of doing this live because I'm a little bit late behind daily video. So, anyhow, let's review it. Market's about to open in 2 minutes. Let's start with Bitcoin. You can see what's happening on Bitcoin in front of resistance for last couple of days, and now we are getting a bounce. And you can see this white line, 20 moving average. We are now breaking out. All right. So, if I hide this EMA lines, you can see what's going on here. If I draw a trend line like this, you can see from here to here, something like this, we're getting a breakout signal, all right? And you can see PPO, if I expand, green line is above red line, this is a buy signal, all right? So you got to be careful, and I think it's breaking out. And yeah, and next step is from here, it needs to have a very bullish candle, and then next resistance is going to be here around 69,000, all right? So I think everything is going good in favors of bulls. Also on this RSI, when I get a green dot, that's also a good sign because last time we got a green dot, we got a nice bounce here. This is RSI. When we got a green dot, nice bounce to around 29%. And I'm getting that right now again. And also we had 7 count SPY signal, and everything is looking good for the crypto bulls. Ethereum is a little weaker, uh, but it also has green line above red line. So Ethereum will follow Bitcoin. So one hint could be on Ethereum. This is CME futures. There's a gap around 2900. There's a gap around 3900. In order for these two gaps to fill for Ethereum, Bitcoin needs to pump, and Ethereum from here to the top gap is almost 50% away. So keep that in mind. There are a couple of gaps that can be filled with this help from Bitcoin pump. All right. Uh, that's it for crypto. Let's review SPX chart. You can see cycle analysis getting a 8 count sell signal. Live market just opened right now, 7 counts, 8 counts. So you can see we have this week. So today's Tuesday, next couple of days, we are looking for a topping pattern and maybe a decline, slight decline to maybe we'll see if we can fill this gap. So looking for there's a declining phase. So we'll see if this topping pattern happens and then try to decline a little bit lower and then make a new high. So that's what I'm looking for. And let's do side by side comparison. This is live market right now. MES is on the left side. We'll put day trading chart, swing trading chart, daily chart on the right side. You can see we're getting a live 7 and 8 count sell signal on a very extended on buy and sell signal side. Red lines are where we sell, green lines are where we buy. And if I zoom in, you can see now we're going towards resistance. So we're grinding higher. I think because elections are in November, they're going to uh, keep holding the market. Democrats, they're going to keep pumping it. Okay, we are very close to previous high, which is around 5,700. So I wouldn't be surprised if they just pump it and make a new high in next couple of days as well. So one also thing to note on SPY, there is a gap around previous all-time high around 564. So that could be the next target. They might want to fill that gap before they find double top and maybe some decline after that. So keep that in mind. M&Q Nasdaq, again, same thing, was in the sell zone, now cooling down a bit. Again, recovering. Sell zones are above 19894, and on triple Qs, next gap is around here, 495. There's a gap here. The gaps to the down. We're right now in the middle. All right. Russell 2000, Dow Jones is a bit weaker, and let's look at DIA ETF. Just remember, there's a bigger gap here, but right now this is right in the middle, neutral zone. Nothing much. It will just follow S&P 500 and Nasdaq and Russell 2000. You can see here Russell 2000 is also going towards neutral zone. Massive pumps here. If I look at IWM ETF, you can see here in front of this gap fill. Maybe they'll fill this 216 first and then go down, fill this bottom gap. So right now it's in the middle. Let's see what else is here. Hang Seng Index, China. China is in the middle neutral zone. Okay. Getting a 9 count sell signal today. Let's see if this is another decline in a downtrend. We'll see. Lower high, lower lows. This could be also a lower high before we go low. We will see what happens. Right now, I have no No either way to tell you. Right now, the futures are in the middle neutral zone. Let's look at some of the big stocks. Tesla is breaking out. All right, so Tesla final breaking out of this downtrend line, gapping up and then just going higher, which is good news for the bulls. Trying to fill this earnings gap around 245. Apple is also looking okay. In front of this resistance yellow line, there are two gaps. So they could be the next target 183 and 192. Netflix is also in the sell zone right now, getting a 9 count sell signal, already made a new all-time high. So sky is the limit. So looking chart is looking very bullish, although getting a 9 count sell signal, but there are a couple of minor gaps. Again, if this is not the time to buy Netflix, you want to buy on a dip, so just let it do its thing. I think Amazon is a better buy in my opinion, in front of this resistance. And sorry, Apple is here. I was looking at Amazon before. Apple is also trying to fill this gap around 234. Google is also a good buy in my opinion. Still long ways to go. All these yellow lines are gaps to fill. Meta Facebook is also going towards new all-time high. Next resistance around 536. Microsoft is also near resistance. Next gaps are 443 and 449, going towards those. Snowflakes is also looking very good. Um, Next gaps are here around 150s, and Nvidia bringing the market a little bit down, stabilizing but near resistance. Earnings are on 20th of August. Let's see if it's going to keep pumping until then. And AVGO also near sell zone. No gaps to the top, couple of gaps to the bottom, so it will do its thing. Let's look at commodities. Gold. Gold is near resistance, new all-time high. Sky's the limit. Silver is a bit weaker, so silver you can cast as a strain. Silver will catch up with gold. Copper is in the neutral zone. Eventually, it's going to pick up, catch up with gold again. Crude oil was very bearish yesterday. Now getting a recovery candle right now near previous lows. Was in the buy zone and now bouncing. Natural gas is in the neutral zone right now, facing some resistance on these EMA lines. Let's see if it goes right now in the neutral zone, no trade. If it goes to green, buy again. Palladium is recovering. It recovered from the buy zone. Yesterday it came to the buy zone. Soybeans is for some reason a gap up. Not sure why, but trying to make a bottom here. Sugar is also trying to make a bottom. Divergences, new low with divergences. So this is where you want to be building a position. Wheat is also trying to build a bottom. All these commodities are trying to build a bottom. As soon as Fed say interest rates are going lower, I think they're going to pump these commodities. Dollar is a weak in the support zone, so it can still go lower in this support zone. But if Feds increase rates, it's going to even dump even harder. What else is here? I think that's about it, guys. If there are any other stocks you want me to review, put a comment in the description. I'll review it tomorrow. VIX is crushing, little bit higher, just 8 counts buy signal, but I think it can go still crush and go to low 12s and 13 because I still think SPX will go a little bit, still has like until Friday to remain here, if not go higher. All right. And that's it for today, guys. Let me see if there's anything. No, I'll see you later. Bye.